morning everyone. From standard 8B, today I am going to discuss about the dispersion of light, a process of separation of light into its component of color while passing through a glass prism. It is called dispersion of light. The white light passing through a transparent object, it splits into 7 different colors, namely violet, indigo, green, yellow, orange and red. It occurs because the different colors have different wavelength. The red color have highest wavelength. The dispersion can be calculated and measured by using a different statistics such as range, variance and statistics deviation. Thank you.